I say we go for it. I mean, that's what we do here. We just go for shit.
What am I scared?
Hello, my beautiful people of the world. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel, but probably welcome. So, yes, today we are finally doing another hair video. Woo! And I've got another one coming after this, but this is what I'm doing for now, okay? We are finally coloring my hair. I have been waiting to color my hair for the longest time, and I just haven't done it. I've had dye. The color that I'm using, that you saw in the title, I've got red hair dye. I haven't done it in a while because last time I did it, my hair was short, but now that my hair has grown out, I think it's going to be fun to make my hair red. We've got Manic Panic in the color Infrared. Let me tell you what, it's a bright red, okay. Well, I'm already getting it on myself. This is my hair dyeing bathing suit. Don't know if you've seen it in any of my previous hair dyeing videos, but it's what I do. It's a little bit blue because usually I dye my hair blue. Can't really tell because it's already got blue flower designs on it. Whatever, you don't care. Anyways, I'm thinking I want to mix hair dye with some purple shampoo. Now hear me out. You can see how bright red that gets. So I'm nervous it's gonna look kind of orange red, and granted I'm gonna try to soak it for a while to try to get the deepest red I can. I'm like wondering if purple shampoo will help because it's supposed to get rid of the orangey yellow brassiness. Then I'm also hoping it doesn't ruin it even more because it's supposed to get rid of that, and red is a brassy yellow orange tone color. So I'm hoping it doesn't just ruin it altogether. If it ends up more pink, I'm fine with that. So either it's gonna make it a deep red, which I'm hoping, and not so yellow orange red, and or it'll turn out more pink, and if that's the case, that's fine. I'm looking at my hair now and I'm like, do I really want to change it? Like, I've really been in the mood for a change and I don't want to cut it. I want to keep it long, so this is what I'm doing. So, it doesn't say to use a developer with this. I mean, I don't remember if I used it or not the last time because I feel like I usually do. I don't think I need to. Do I really need to? I don't think so. Look at how dark it looks in there though, but you can see on the sides how red it's actually gonna get. So that's why I kind of want to put it with the purple shampoo. This is a really good purple shampoo though, by the way. If you need one, this is a good one. Just literally the generic brand. I know it looks like it might be generic and not like the best, but it is the best. I've used more expensive ones and they suck. Oh, I haven't done my hair in so long. It's so like fried and dead though that I'm hoping this will help a little bit. You know what I'm saying? It looks almost like brown, but we know it's not gonna be. I don't know how much to do and I hope this doesn't ruin it. The purple is so much prettier. Okay, I'm obviously running out. That's okay. Fine. Now I have a lot of hair though, since it's grown. I've got a lot of hair to cover, but luckily it's all mainly the ends, see? So I think it's gonna be vaguely a little bit easier. Ow. You know, I've seen some cute pictures online, so I hope this works out the way I want it to. I'm thinking I should probably add in some conditioner as well. Maybe some purple conditioner. I have some of that. Okay, I've got some purple conditioner too. It's the same brand, but I'm gonna use some of that in here. Pretty much the same color as the bowl. I'm nervous, just because I know how it turned out the last time. I don't know. I just don't want it to look bad. I hope this doesn't like make it lighter, like more orange. You think it would make it more orange? I don't think so. Right? Alright, well this is about the color we've got. I say we go for it. I mean, that's what we do here. We just go for shit.
What am I scared?
So apparently, I have shitty ass luck and I'm a professional YouTuber. The video that you were just watching, half of it got fucked up. It just started skipping through it and the audio is all off. It was a whole domino chain of bullshit. So, please enjoy a little bit of a fucked up video and a little bit of a montage of me dyeing my hair. And of course, it would happen at the very moment I am dyeing my hair. The main reason you are here, me dyeing my hair. And that is why I'm wearing this hat. I do not want you to see what my hair looks like, okay? I can't believe this. So please enjoy these next moments, or not. You probably won't. Okay, here we go. Let's lay it out. Let's lay out the canvas, shall we? And let's just go for it. 3, 2, 1. There's no turning back now. I hope this is gonna look as good as I think it should. And now, back to your original programming. I look like Carrie right now. What the fuck? Yeah, it's everywhere, as you can see. It's on my counter, it's on my floor, it's everywhere. I mean, look at this. I hope I got like all the in-between pieces, cause I don't want any blonde in there anymore. And sometimes you run into the issue where your hair clumps up like this, and then all the hairs on the inside are still blonde. But I think I got it, I think I got it pretty well. I mean, I guess I might as well just leave it down like this. Fuck, shit. It's already all over me. You might as well just fucking leave it like this, I guess. Okay. I think I'm gonna be permanently red for a little while. But that is okay, including my face. Great. I am going to leave this in for, how long does it say? I used literally almost the whole thing. 30 minutes. And then I'm gonna come back. My hair dryer broke, so if it doesn't work, I might end up waiting till the next day. But hopefully not. I hope it dries. Yeah, okay. See you in a little bit. And hopefully a little less red. Hello! So here we are. It is the next day, and I'm not mad about the color. Hopefully the back looks decently good. I don't know, you tell me. My hair looks like shit right now, and I was gonna have it all done for you guys. I decided I wanted to talk a little bit, so that's what I'm gonna do while I do my hair and make it look all pretty. Okay, don't really have much to say. I kind of wanted to ask, what kind of content do you guys like seeing? Because here's the thing that I've been thinking about. I used to do this shit. I used to do hair stuff all the time on my channel when I first started. It seems that was my most poppin' moments on YouTube, and I just had a lot more people watching my shit. I'm wondering what changed. I know I've dabbled in different content, so I didn't know if maybe that what was changing, because if you go back, some of the first videos I made, I think the most views on one of my videos is about 40,000 views or something, so I'm what the hell? What changed? And granted, I know a lot changed in my life, so that makes sense there. I don't post as much as I used to. I was single back then. I living in a different place. I was just kind of always doing my own thing on my own and didn't really care what people thought, and I wasn't hanging out with my friends because I was far away from them, so I would just always be making content for you guys. And I know I don't post as much anymore, and I know part of the problem, because it's if I ain't giving you guys shit to watch, then yeah, obviously you ain't gonna be watching it. Yeah, I don't know, I just feel a lot changed. I changed. What kind of content do you guys like seeing out of me? Obviously I don't want to change my hair all the time. I mean, I usually do, but it's been a while because I've been trying to let it grow out. I just really wanted to ask, have you guys noticed a change in my vibe, my personality? If you're an original subscriber and you're watching and you've seen a change in my personality or whatever, what is it? Because sometimes it's hard to see unless you're on the outside. You feel me? I do know a lot of things changed in my life, but I would think for the better. I feel things got better in my life, but as far as YouTube, things just went to shit. Okay, so I'm kind of thinking I want to put it up somehow. Do you guys like the color? I dig the color. I'd say it's a little darker. It looks a little brighter on camera. Not by much, though. I was hoping it'd be more of a purpley red. That's why I added the purple shampoo. Obviously, didn't really work. I don't know if I want to put up somehow. I feel like it could look kind of cute like that. I think that's what I'm going to do. You know what, too? Even though I dyed it, because I didn't bleach it, it actually feels pretty nice. I literally had a comb yesterday, or I saw it, I didn't use it, but I saw it, and it was right there, and now I'm here today, and it's not there. Can someone explain this to me? Does this happen to anybody else? Okay, glad I left this on. We're just gonna do a little some. Ooh, cute. I think we'll leave the rest straight though. Also thinking about if I should wrap my hair around and make a nice little red pony. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so here is the final look of my hair. I tied my hair around to make a little red twist, and yeah, that's my hair. Let me know what you guys think of it. I'm actually really digging it. I'm super glad I decided to dye my hair. I think it looks bomb. It's a change. I've been needing a change. You guys know this. I change my hair often. If you are thinking about bleaching your hair, coloring your hair blue, whatever it may be, I have more hair videos for that. Leave them linked right up there if you would like to check them out. And I'll tell you how to do it. Cut my bangs, I cut my hair, I do a lot of stupid shit to my hair. Guys, if you like this type of content, leave me a like so I know. I genuinely need to know, or comment hair down below if you like these beauty hair videos. Let me know. I will do more of them, or specifically what you like. Go ahead, subscribe if you ain't done that already. You good? Go ahead, subscribe. Okay, thank you. I love you. I will see you guys in the next video, which will hopefully be sooner than later. All right, bye.